Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the best reviews on essential tools and products. Today, we're going to talk about the best attic pull-down rod, a fantastic solution to replace those old attic pull cords with a more durable, efficient system. If you're looking for an easy way to access your attic, this product could be exactly what you need. This attic pull-down system kit comes with a 60-inch telescopic extension pole that can adjust from 15 inches to 60 inches. It's perfect for opening or closing your attic staircase door without having to climb up or struggle with cords. The lightweight and portable design make it easy to handle and store, and it fits comfortably in a toolbox. No more dealing with cumbersome ropes. This kit is an excellent upgrade for your attic system. Made from high-quality stainless steel and copper materials, this system is built to last. It's designed to be durable, rust-resistant, and resistant to wear and tear. This means you can count on it to withstand frequent use and still perform at its best over time. Plus, the extension pole features a multi-position, anti-slip handle for better grip and control, making it safer and more convenient to use. One of the standout features of this kit is the gold-colored storage hook. Unlike traditional cord designs, this hook is space-saving and provides a cleaner, more organized solution to keep your attic system in place. The hook is also crafted with the same sturdy copper material, so you know it's both functional and visually appealing. Installation is a breeze. The product comes with everything you need for setup, including the extension pole, copper pull hook, and a set of screws for easy installation onto wooden boards. Whether you're replacing your old pull cord or setting up a new system, this attic pull-down kit is quick and simple to install. This product is ideal for anyone looking for a more efficient way to manage their attic space. It's perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and even professionals who need a reliable, long-lasting solution for attic access. So, if you're ready to ditch the ropes and upgrade your attic system, the best attic pull-down rod is the perfect solution for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.